Hello everyone, back for round two of Dominosa. So hopefully today I'll give you some more tips and tricks for more challenging puzzles, and we'll do a couple together, and hopefully you find it helpful. As always, ask some questions if you have them. Be happy to help. Let's look at this is the level 2 worksheet, Dominosa level 2 if you have it at home. Otherwise, you could just watch as I do a couple of these ones, and hopefully find some success on your own puzzles that you do. All right, let's see. First of all, a lot of times I like to start. I look for corners, and we kind of mentioned that the other time. I look for doubles, things that can only go one way or the other. Let's see if I can just jump through and see. I like to start with double numbers because they're easiest for me to see. They pop out. 0, 0, for example, 0, 0, 0, 0. There's another 0, 0 here. Okay, that didn't help. 1, 1. So I go through and I say, okay, 1, 1. See a 1, 1 here. It looks like that might be the only 1, 1. So if I'm trying to find unique dominoes, it helps to know that there's only one in the whole batch. If that's a 1, 1, then this has to be a 5, 3, which means this can't be a 5, 3, because we already have 5, 3, and this one can't be a 5, 3, and this one can't be a 5, 3. And you look all around, you see, do you have any other 5, 3s? Let's see. I don't see any others. All right, and so I know that this can't be a 5, 3, then this has to be my 3, 3. And if that's only one, that's all we could do. But there's others. This 3, 3, this can't be a 3, 3. And this can't be a 3, 3, and this can't be a 3, 3. So that's very helpful to know that this is 3, 3, because we were able to break up all these things. Now 3, 1 has to be 3, 1 because this 3 has nowhere else to go. And I look around for 3 1s, and if I see any 3 1s, I'll mark a line between them. I do not see any at this moment, of course. 3, 1, I don't see any. All right. Now look here. 0 has to go with 2 at this point. It's either 0, 2 here or 0, 2 here. So anywhere you see a 0, 2, you can put a line between them. For example, this cannot be a 0, 2. This cannot be a 0, 2. And the same is true because this, and I don't know which one. And if you guess, that could lead to frustration. So I wouldn't guess, but it could be this one or this one, but it cannot be this one because if this was 0, 2, this 0 had nowhere to go. And now I look up here and I see a 2, 4. Same thing. 2, 4 has to be either this one or this one. So this cannot be a 2, 4. And do you see any other 2, 4s? I don't see any. 2, 4, 2, 4. It has to be here, here. But I don't see any others. So this has to be my, oh no it doesn't, never mind. All right, 5, 4, 5, 5, 0, 0. So I start looking at, I broke up a lot of stuff. For example, 4, 1. Do I have a lot of other 4, 1s? See, I'm just picking a random number. Like I broke up a 2, 1, a 4, 1, a 2, 1, again, you see. So I look at it and say 4, 1. And since I broke that up, are there any others? Are there more than one? And I see one here. But do you see others? I don't see any other 4, 1s. So since I broke this one up, there's less of them available, and that means this is the only one left. So that's helpful, because now I got a 3, 2, and we can put all lines between 3, 2s. Do I see any other 3, 2s? So here's one. 3, 2 can't be there. All right. Now, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5. So this 2 has to go with a 5. That's another one of your tips and tricks. When there's only one possibility, this 2 has to go with a 5. So can this 2 go with a 5? Absolutely not. This 2 has to. So this one cannot. Because if this went 2, 5, this would force this to be a 2, 5, and that is not allowed. You got to have one. Each one has a unique set. So this can't be 2, 5, which means it's definitely 2, 2. Were there any other 2, 2s anyway? I think maybe all the 2, 2s gone anyway. So there's your 2, 2. So 5, 2, 5, 1. And you know, as you work through these, some people like to do this where they just list out all the possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, and then they start off with 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. And if that helps you to cross them off as you go, absolutely do that. Yeah, no doubt. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's try to finish this one. 5-1, 5-4. So a lot of times I look for doubles, and I don't see any good doubles. 3-0, 3-0, 3-3. If you see something at home, just shout it out. I'll be able to hear you. All right. So okay, here we go. 3-4. This 3 has to go to the 4. Right, this 3 is either 4 here or 4 here. So this cannot be my 3-4. Because if this were a 3-4 with 4, so this one would be a 3-4, and that'd be a big mess. Not allowed. So you got to find unique dominoes. That means this is definitely my 3-0. If I had any other 3-0s, I would put a line between them, but I did not see any other 3-0s. All right, let's see. What are some of the things that got broken up? 4-2. Is it 4-2? Are there any other 4-2s? 4-2 here, 4-2. Oh, well, we knew that before anyway. It's a little rerun. All right. We have 4-5 here, 4-4. 0-5, we got both of those. 4-0, we got that. 4-0, 4-0. 0-0, 0-1. All I'm doing is I'm just looking at, are there more than one possibility? I have 0-0 or 0-1. 5-1. 5-1 could be here, 5-1 could be here. 0-5 is, there's 3 different options for 0-5. 0-1, lots of options. All right, so we got to look through and see which ones are we uniquely missing. Like for example, there you go. 2-5, we already said 2-5 has to be here. That's why we were able to put this line, but we could also put it here. We can't have a 2-5 here, and we can't have a 2-5 here because this 2 has to go to 5. So this is our 2-0. This is our 2-1. And now that I see it, looks like that was the only 2-1. So there we go. So 5-0 is here, so not here. 5-0 is here, so not here. And it's not here. This is not 5-0. 5-4 has to go. This 5 has to go to 4. So we put a line here because that can't be a 5-4. And this cannot be a 5-4. So the things are starting to fall together, right? Here's our 5-5. Here's our 2-5. Our 1-0. 1-0. So this is definitely our 5-1. What else do we have? 4-0 has already been done. So this is 4-4, 5-4, 3-4, 2-4, 0-0. And there we have it. Let's try one more online, and we'll see how we do over there. So the website once again is puzzle-dominosa.com. Puzzle-dominosa.com. And so I'm doing a 5x5 here, and you could select different sizes for more challenge or less challenge. And let's see how far we get in the next few minutes. I don't want to go too long here and make your video just be a long, boring thing. Let's see. We have, I'm going to start off with 0-0. We got 0-0 here, 0-0 here, lots of 0-0s. 1-1s, got 1-1 here. Is that the only 1-1? Looks like that's only 1-1, which gives us a 5-0 off the bat, which is so nice. So this is not, this 5 cannot go with any 0. This 5 can't go to 0. This 5 can't go to 0. Any other 5-0s? All I'm doing is once I found my 5-0, I mark a line between these 5-0s. Helps me for later. Definitely helps for later. All right, so this is 5 and 3 because that's the only way that can go. Are there any 5-3s otherwise? Boom, not that one. So 3-1. And then you have 3-1s. There's a 3-1 there. There's a 3-1 there. And so then I just look around for other options. So 5-3 is done. And notice all the 5-0s. Okay, 5-0. 3-2 was broken up here. So a lot of times I look at what has been, made unable to be put together, which is a weird way of saying that. But a 2-3. So 2-3 is here, 2-3 is here. There's lots of 2-3, so I'm not going to worry about that. This 5 has to go to 5 or a 1. And this 5, well, we're getting close. 5-1. Are there any other 5-5s? I don't see any other 5-5s, so we know this has to be 5-5. because there's no other 5 that, 5-5 pair, which means that now we look and see are there any other 5-1s, because if there's no other 5-1s, we could put a line here. So I look around, 5-1, 5-1 here or 5-1 here. So this cannot be a 5-4, because if this were a 5-4, there would be no 5-1s. So that's nice. So this is a 5-1, our only option for that 1. This one has to go 1-0. Do we have any other 1-0s? There's a 1-0 there. Put a line between them. There's a 1-0 there. Put a line between. So this has to be our 1-2. This has to be our 3-0. So that can't be 3-0. That can't be 3-0. 1-2. This can't be a 1-2. This can't be a 1-2. And all I'm doing is I'm just using a right click to put these lines in between. All right. This is definitely a 3-3. And 0-0, this one has to be the 0-0, because there's certainly, if this were 0-0, this would have nowhere to go. All of the numbers will be used. 0-2. So that can't be a 0-2. There were no other 0-0, so I don't have to worry about that. So 2-2 here, definitely. 0-4 there. There's only way the 0 can go, 0-4. 2-3. 4-5. So that's not our 4-5. That means this has to be our 4-4. So put a line here, line here. That means definitely our 2-5. This 4 would have to go with the 1. 4 and 2. 4 and 3. Hit the Dunzo button. See if we did it right. Hopefully, it's correct. Sometimes you have to scroll to see if you're right or not. Pew, pew, pew. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to get the time in there when you're doing your screenshot. And I hope you enjoy this puzzle. Let me know what you think. If they're hard, challenging, too easy, you can always try a harder size or easier size. And I wish you the best in this puzzle. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.